How to download Microsoft Authenticator on iPhone. If you wish to download Microsoft Authenticator on iPhone, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. First of all, you want to simply make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. So make sure that you have your Wi-Fi or your mobile data working just fine. Once you've done that, simply launch your App Store. From the top of the search bar, simply type in Microsoft Authenticator and search for it. You'll find the Microsoft Authenticator app from the very top of the list. If you have never installed this app, you will see the Get button. But if you have installed and uninstalled, you'll find this cloud-like download icon, where you have to simply tap on it. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically set up your Microsoft Authenticator. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.